Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a simple gel polish design and I'd like to show you guys how I'll do that. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. I decided to skip the acrylic application part because I'm sure most of you are conversant with my acrylic application technique, so I'll just be going straight to the gel polish design. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. This is my client, didn't bring any design for me to do for her. She just said I should do something I like for her. And she said she has a party, an Owambe party. If you know what that means, you understand what I'm talking about. So she said she has an Owambe party, and the clothes, color of her clothes will be navy blue. So that's why I decided to do this nude and navy blue design for her. I actually saw this design on Jessica Neil's page on Instagram, and I decided to replicate it. But ours was in green and nude, and I'm going to be doing mine in nude and navy blue. I'll be doing a 3D crocodile print nail art design for the first time. I hope I get it right. So I'll be using this blue gel polish from Venalisa and also clear acrylic powder. I'll be doing the French tip design on 3 fingernails and the crocodile print nail art on 2 fingernails. I'll start by applying base coat on the nails. I'll cure for 60 seconds. Then I'll apply the base gel, cure for 60 seconds. Apply the base gel again, cure for 60 seconds. Then I'll apply top coat on all the fingernails, cure for 120 seconds before I start the crocodile print nail art.
Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get stuck on my love ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem to tomato. Kosingo be le pajo pepere mpejo wo mase mi le she Nobody,
Mysterious Empire. Mysterious Empire.
I'll be using a nail art brush to create a pattern on the nail. I'll create it on 3 sides of the nail. Then I'll pour clear acrylic powder on it before I cure it. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new.
Mysterious Empire.
Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.